Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing for one of the personal items of BTS Jimin's merch collection. So this is the box, and I'm going to be opening it. It's a really big box because it's a really big bag of packaging. This is the bag that it comes in. It says Artist Made Collection by BTS Jimin. And this is the tag that it comes in. It's a With You hoodie, and it's purple. It's one of the two items of his main merch. I'm going to be opening it to show you what it is and how it looks. This is the main packaging. As you can see here are the warning labels. Inside it comes with the hoodie and an envelope that we will be opening up later. This is how the hoodie looks. It says "You" on it, and when you open it up, it's quite big for a small, but I think since it's unisex, it's for anyone who can fit into it, man or woman. This is how it looks. It says 7 with you on top of the hood. Here. And on the back, it says You Never Walk Alone for one of their main songs. And inside of the envelope, on top it says Jimin. It's a few merch cards that come with the hoodie. This is Jimin wearing the hoodie. And this is a book, a making log of him creating the design. Let me open it up. Inside, it starts with him giving thanks to who and why he made it. This is him holding it. And it shows you his final review and the samples that he had before it was released. More of the product planning and the design review. There's also videos online of him showing you exactly this process, and they also gave it to you in book form when you buy it. And let me open up the Polaroid. This is the hoodie on him. With You hoodie by Jimin. one final look at it. This is the final look of the hoodie. And one more time for the back. The product is now sold out, but this is what you receive with your purchase. Thank you for watching the unbox. Have a great day.